In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora using free traffic. Okay, I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in this new video, guys, I will share with you new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Quora if you want to earn commission. Okay, so I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links. I'm still getting commission, and right now I have $5,125 in commission available in my balance, and I will get more commission and I will withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will share with you guys the method that I'm using for free. Just like this video, subscribe to this channel and let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first, for beginners who want to join Fiverr affiliate marketing and start making some commission like this, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So just come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, what you need to do, so first you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, they are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services. Okay, click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you just need to click over here on first name and put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with a Fiverr affiliate, and this will be your home page. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for this website that we will use to promote our affiliate links for free. Search for Quora. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so let me show you. So this will be your Quora homepage like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Quora to get commission. Okay, click on the search for YouTube SEO. Okay, search for YouTube SEO. Okay, like this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, you will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr providing this service. So you need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 2 seller, level 1 seller, top rated sellers. Also choose sellers who are giving a good price. Okay, and so people, if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they are providing good service, they have good reviews, good price, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. This service is just for $25. This seller has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, as you can see, this seller has a lot of orders in queue. This seller is providing good service. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy his profile link, just copy his profile link. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora. Go back to Quora, click over here on the search for YouTube. Search for YouTube, okay? And you will find a lot of people here who are asking questions about YouTube, okay? So like this one, how can we get more YouTube subscribers, okay? What is your advice to grow a YouTube channel, okay? How to increase views on YouTube, okay? How can I get more views on my YouTube videos? So like this one, for example, he is searching for how he can get more YouTube views. So this person, okay, this person will be interested to buy this service, to buy YouTube SEO, to get more views and grow his YouTube channel, okay? So what you will do, you will go, so let's go to Quora. So let me see, how can I get more views on my YouTube videos? I will click on answer, okay? You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, okay? And scroll down, go to about this gig. This is his description, okay? So what you will do, how great your video is, so you will copy this, you will copy this part, okay? Like this. Just copy this part and go back to Quora and put this description here, this part, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Quora, okay, and put this affiliate link here, okay, like this, and click on post, okay, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is searching for how can I get more views on my YouTube videos, okay. I will delete this, as you can see. So if this person is still searching and he still want to grow his YouTube channel, get more views, he will click on your, if he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Click on continue, buy this service, and you will earn commission. It's super easy. Those people are interested to grow their YouTube channels, and you just need to promote a lot of affiliate links. You can find a lot of people, so many people on Quora asking questions every single day, how they can grow on YouTube, Instagram, and so much more. So that's how we can promote affiliate links on Quora. And this is my method, guys, that I use using free traffic. And of course, you cannot promote just one service. You need to promote a lot of services, okay? So your chance to get commission will be high. That's what I do. I promote a lot of affiliate links in Quora, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so much more. Check my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free. So just go and check and just copy and paste, stay consistent, and you will earn a lot of commission. If you don't quit, if you stay consistent and you keep publishing affiliate links on social media, you will earn commission. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, is if this video is helpful for you, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and see you in my next videos.